So this is one of the easy way I have created this look in the daytime, where you can add a bit of color to your eyes or to your face, to the dress you're wearing, and it could still be simple yet glamorous. So let's begin with the video. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to use a blue liner. So I'm just going to line my eyes with that. So the key is start with a thin line, just closer to your lash line, and then you can build up the shape or the thickness that you want for your eyes.
We met, your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met, your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the
this is how it looks using the blue
I can't forget the day we met, your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met, your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget that.
Dab it on top of this.
I can't forget the day we met, your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met, your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget.
It gives your eyes a nice pop. If you want, a thin line of black liner would also look good on top of this, but I'm going to keep it as it is. And
there we met, your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my.
I really love this look. The way it has come up is like amazing. It just gives a pop to your eyes, and like it makes it like look nice, bigger, and like amazing. Nothing can be seen if you're wearing this eyeliner. Like it's just a piece of attraction, we can say. So I find this very, very, very nice for nice Raksha Bandhan day look. I hope you also liked it. Until next video, bye bye.